Hello guys, I hope your week is coming along well. I've been away for some time, but let's see something on NAS since it's about 4 p.m. and we are trading the New York session. So let's have a look at Nasdaq or NAS100. As you can see, I have marked my key levels already at the first one. For yesterday was at the low was at 20,000, and then in the night it started buying from at around 20,205, and then the highest point today is at 20,337. So when I look at my chart, I can see it's not been so clear today. It has not given me a precise direction to take. So I'm seeing some patterns like let's say I'm seeing, how do we call it? Call this one a falling wedge. That's a falling wedge, and then now when we have something like this, yeah, something like that, and then so we are expecting two things. I am expecting that is either we're going to see a drop to this level, and then now we have a push all the way to the upside, or we might have a push to the highest point today, and then we have a drop all the way to 20,205. So at the moment, my hands are tight. I'm not taking any position. I'll just wait until it gets to either of the levels, either here or here, because we are still in the middle. So when we're in the middle, we don't. I don't normally take trades in the middle of nowhere, so I'll have to wait for either this point or this point. So when I go down to 30 minutes time frame, pretty much the same. There's nothing much happening. Just the falling wedge pattern. Nothing much. Nasdaq does not have much of a price action today, so pretty much the same thing as 1 hour. So either way, we have to wait. There is no good entry. Let me go to 15 minutes. When I go to 15 minutes, pretty much the same thing. So nothing much on NAS. So I'll have to wait for a good point. And then now when let's go to gold. I also trade gold a lot. Then when we go to gold, I had a few positions in the morning. Yeah, I was on the 30 minutes time frame, and then now that's how it is on the 30, like this. So we had a rally. By London session, we woke up at around 5 a.m., but I didn't manage to get up so early, so I missed the sell move. And then now I spotted this low here, and then now I marked it as my support. And then now when price got to my support at around 7:30 a.m., yeah, so by then I was already awake and I was active on my chart. So I waited for confirmation, of which I saw this doji right here at around 8 a.m. and then I took a long position from there. And then my take profit one was at around what was at this point 3,027, and then take profit two was at 1493, and then my stop loss was slightly below the doji, and then voila, it went all the way to my take profit, and then it gave us about 160 pips in the morning. Yeah, and then I didn't manage to get the sale because I was not so sure of the entry. But then there are some guys who got this. If I was going to do that, I would use my Fibonacci retracement and then pick my buy from either 0.79 or 0.618, of which it formed a very beautiful engulfing pattern here, and then bought all the way to around 3000, but still it's moving around, though I'm expecting more buys to come in. Yeah, so pretty much price action today has not been so good. Yeah, so that's it for now, and see you around.